Are you looking for the best small TIG welder? In this video, we will break down the top 4 small TIG welders on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Hobart EZ-TIG 165i TIG Welder. Hobart's 500,551 EZ-TIG 165i welding machine is a professional TIG welder for industrial use that does TIG AC/DC power welding on thinner materials like 22-gauge sheet, on up to 3/16" metal plate. It welds aluminum, stainless steel, chrome moly, titanium, copper, and more. The EZ-TIG name comes from Hobart's setup system. All the user needs to do is select the material to be welded: steel, stainless, aluminum, then the thickness of the metal, and the system will make sure the correct settings are already dialed in. Featuring a high-frequency arc start, allowing you to strike an arc by pressing the pedal, we chose the Hobart EZ-TIG 165i as our pro-value TIG machine. This HF start feature prevents contamination of the tungsten electrode by avoiding any contact with the surface. American made in Appleton, Wisconsin, the EZ-TIG 165i features Hobart's 5-year warranty. The EZ-TIG has a fan system that only operates on cooling demand to avoid sucking extra dust into the machine or wasting power. This 210/220/230 input voltage welder also has a 40% duty cycle at its rated power. Based on inverter power, it's lightweight, easy to use, and includes a foot pedal, Miller TIG torch, and regulator. The Hobart 500,551 EZ-TIG is a great selection. At number 2. Weldpro Digital TIG Welder. The Weldpro Digital TIG 200GD is an AC/DC TIG and stick welder featuring 200 Hz pulse width modulation for controllable bead width focus. It runs on dual 120/240 volt input power. The TIG 200GD offers an adjustable AC balance from 30 to 70%, cleaning aluminum oxidation while providing good weld penetration. This machine has a wide 10 amp to 200 amp AC TIG range when running on 240 volt input and up to 140 amps on 120 power. Weldpro designed the TIG 200GD with a high-frequency no-touch arc start, preventing contamination of the tungsten electrode. It comes with the popular CK17 Superflex torch that uses standard American parts and includes an optional torch heat control. This is a nice touch because there are a few reports of poor quality on the included heat control pedal. There's also a 2T/4T switch that functions as a torch lock, allowing you to complete long welds without having to hold down the torch trigger in MIG mode. At number 3. Forney 322 Multi-Process Welder. The Forney 322 is a versatile and affordable welder that is widely considered to be the best welding machine for starters. This welder is suitable for the entire range of processes, including TIG, flux cord, MIG, and stick. Apart from the fact that the Forney 322 can be used for a broad range of applications, it is also incredibly easy to set up and use. This 140 amp welder offers incredible value for money. It has an input voltage of 120 V, rendering it ideal for general maintenance, light repairs, automotive use, and DIY projects around the house. The Forney 322 is compatible with a spool gun, TIG torch, and foot pedal to control amperage. Almost all casual welders that have been using the Forney 322 for a while considering this to be a high-end welder for household and light industrial use. At number 4. PRIMEWELD TIG Stick Welder. This is due to the fact that it offers a high peak power consumption or an amp rating of 225 amps. And it can provide this while supporting both DC and AC currents. You can use this TIG welder for welding 1/4 inch aluminum and 3/8 inch mild steel without any issues. Another great thing about this is that it works with both 110 volts as well as 220 volt electricity without any problems. You get all of this in this PRIMEWELD TIG welder, along with a 3-year warranty.